Hi guys, I'm Maureen and I'm going to tell you exactly what to do if you want to become a first-time home buyer. First of all, you want to get your credit in as good a shape as possible unless you're paying all cash for your house. And most people, unless you're Dave Ramsey, are not doing that. You're going to want to get a mortgage. So make sure you pay all your bills on time. Make sure you're not carrying big balances on your credit cards. And of course, realistically, this might take a little bit of a while. So strap in for the long haul, have faith that you can do it, and commit to the process. The second thing you're going to want to do is talk to a lender and a realtor. You're going to need a realtor to help you find the perfect home for you, and you're going to need a lender to organize the mortgage that I mentioned previously. Before you look at any homes, you're going to need to be pre-approved. So that means the lender is going to write a letter saying, yes, this buyer's qualified to buy this house that you're interested in. And on the personal side, you're going to want to start budgeting so that you get used to all the costs of home ownership. It's not just your mortgage payment. It's also going to be PMI insurance if you put less than 20% down on a home, and it'll be rolled into one payment. But just make sure that you're realistic about what payment it's going to be. Your lender and realtor can help you with that. And also budget for utilities and household repairs. And finally, the fun part, you're going to make a list of your must-haves and your wants and your absolutely nots so that your real estate agent can help you find the perfect house for you. And what you can afford is going to depend on your pre-approval and also the location and the type of home that you're looking for. If you're in the Northern Virginia area, especially the Ashburn area, reach out to me. I would love to help you. My name is Maureen Landis. You can visit landisproperties.com or call or text me 202-827-5069. Have a great summer. Bye.